Good day, class. I am Sir Jalas A. Montaño, and today we are going to discuss about electromagnetic waves. But before that, let us begin first with our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, the students should be able to A. Define what is electromagnetic waves. B. Identify its regions including radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays, and present each uses and effects. C. Create a model of electromagnetic waves. And D. Value the significance of electromagnetic waves in everyday life such as in communication and technology. Now, let us define what is electromagnetic waves. So when we say electromagnetic waves, it is a wave energy that travels through space, and they are made up of electric and magnetic field that moves together in a wave-like pattern. They are transverse wave and can travel with the speed of 3.0 times 10 raised to 8 meter per seconds. Meaning to say, electromagnetic wave, it is a type of energy waves that travel through space, and they are made up of electric and magnetic fields that move together in a wave-like pattern. And these waves can carry energy and travel through different materials, including air and even the vacuum of space. They also travel at constant speed of 3.0 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second, or 300 million meter per second, the same constant speed of light. There are 7 regions of electromagnetic waves, and these are radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. Now let us define first the radio waves. Radio waves, these are the waves that allows us to listen to the radio. They have long wavelengths and low frequencies. Radio waves are used for broadcasting music, news, and other information. So meaning to say, radio waves is often used for wireless communication devices such as cell phones, walkie-talkies, satellite communication, and Wi-Fi. They are also used for broadcasting like digital radio stations like AM or amplitude modulation and FM or frequency modulation. Next region is microwaves. Microwaves have shorter wavelength and higher frequencies than radio waves. They are used in microwave ovens to cook and heat food. So when we say microwave ovens, it is often associated or present with appliances like microwave ovens, which is used for cooking and heating foods. Next region is the infrared. Infrared radiation is sometimes called heat radiation because we feel it as warmth. It has longer wavelengths than visible light. Infrared radiation is used in devices like TV remote controls and thermal cameras. So when we say infrared glass, it is a waves that cannot be seen, but we can use them in our remote controls, thermal imaging cameras, night vision devices, and communication systems. Next region is the visible light. This is the type of electromagnetic radiation that allows us to see the world around us. Visible light comes in different colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color has a different wavelength. So when we say visible light, it is the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that can be detected by the human eye. It includes all the colors that we can see, which corresponds to different wavelengths. Next region is the ultraviolet rays. UV radiation has shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies than visible light. It comes from the sun and is responsible for causing sunburns. We can see UV radiation, but it can be harmful to our skin and eyes. So when we say ultraviolet rays, they are known for their ability to cause chemical reactions such as producing vitamin D in the skin, but can also damage living tissues, leading to sunburn. That's why we use sunblock to protect our skin from harmful radiation emitted by the sun, which minimizes the risk of skin damage or cancer. So this is an example of sunburn if we are too much exposed with UV rays or the ultraviolet radiation. Next region is the X-rays. X-rays have even shorter wavelengths and higher frequencies than UV radiation. They can pass through our bodies and are used in medical imaging like X-rays machines to see our bones and organs. So X-rays are commonly used to view in medical treatments such as dental or teeth X-rays, chest X-rays, and evenly in bones to help locate fractures, infections, or diseases affecting skeletal systems. Here is an example of X-rays. The last region is the gamma rays. Gamma rays have the shortest wavelengths and highest frequencies of all the radiations and can be harmful. They are used in cancer treatments such as PET or positron emission tomography. So gamma rays are used in cancer treatments such as PET or positron emission tomography to detect diseases like cancer, heart problems, and brain disorders. So this is an example of PET or positron emission tomography and gamma rays. Now that we already discussed and defined each region, let us talk about their uses and effects. Types of EM waves, uses and effects. Radio waves, uses, telecommunication and broadcasting. Effects, migraine, headache. Next region is microwaves, uses, cooking. Effects, internal heating of body tissue and it can damage cells. Infrared, uses, remote controls and night vision equipment. Effects, eye damage and vision loss. Next is visible light, uses, allows for seeing the world. Effects, can damage the eyes. Next is ultraviolet, uses, helps in production of vitamin D. Effects, skin damage or sunburn or eye damage or blindness. X-rays, uses, medical imaging or chest X-rays and tooth X-rays. Effects, may damage cells. Lastly is gamma rays, uses, diagnosis and treatment of diseases such as cancer. Effects, can kill healthy cells. Now to wrap up everything from our discussion, electromagnetic waves are waves that travel through outer space and they are made up of electric and magnetic fields that move together in a wave-like pattern. These waves can carry energy and travel through different materials including air and even the vacuum space. They are transverse waves and also travel at the constant speed of 3.0 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second or 300 million per second, the same speed of light. Electromagnetic waves has a huge impact in shaping our modern lifestyle, influencing nearly every aspect of daily life. From the moment we use our smartphones to communicate, to the signals that power our Wi-Fi and TV signals, these invisible waves make it possible to stay as connected and navigate the world. They are also essential for entertainment, allowing us to enjoy television, radio, and streaming services. Electromagnetic waves also impact health with technologies like X-rays and CT scans, providing vital diagnostic tools for medical care. Through these diverse applications, electromagnetic waves significantly enhance convenience, safety, and communication, making them an essential part of our everyday existence. That would be all, and thank you for listening.